Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're here with another video, and today we're going to be doing a IUH hunting on forest. Okay, I think I'm going to do Blizzard because I don't want to be on the same island just in case, you know? Okay, wish you luck. Anyway guys, by the way, I also am going to get the Mawari thing. Okay, I'm going to go on Blizzard. I absolutely hate Blizzard, honestly. I hope it changed. It's still the same. It's still the same. It's still the same. Still the same. Anyway, let's get my thing. Like, look at, I just got the Mawari thing. And now I'm gonna get Mawari. Got it. Anyway, okay. Let's go hunting. So I got a shortcake here. Do not feel me. I don't even know the spawn points, honestly. That's how much I hate Blizzard, but I'm hoping it won't let me down. I know there's one here, I think. Yeah, there is. Okay. Let's go and look everywhere else. Let's see. Maybe during the point of this video, I'll just speed it up when I get tired of talking, because I don't really have a lot of things to say. Like, this is my second video I made tonight, because I just made a tech set video with my best friend live. Oh, here's another horse. Is it an icy? It is. And no, it's not. Ooh, live got something good. Okay. We need to get good stuff to get good things. If anybody could tell me the spawn points, honestly. Okay, here's a horse. Is that a donkey? My first ever donkey I'm gonna get. Oh my gosh. No. Is this a mule? Oh, mammoth mule. Oh my gosh, my first ever one. Yay! Blizzard isn't that bad. Can it spawn to anywhere? Oh my gosh, I also forget that Shortcake, she's an independent girl, so that sucks. Anyway, let's go and look over here. Yeah, there's horses that spawned here. Not this. Oh, did he just? This is a lazy horse. Let's see. Is it? Yep, it is lazy. I can usually tell. Oh, come here. Don't know if there's another horse. I don't know. Okay, I'm literally just doing this. I'm just going anywhere because I don't. Why am I using good lassos for bad? Not bad. I wouldn't say quarter horses are bad. They're just not that rare, I would say. Ooh, that's lucky girl. Lucky. Jump down. Let's see. Oh, here's a horse. Let's get it. Okay, I don't even have to get that. I'm gonna get a faster horse. We're gonna get Minion. Okay, she is kind of faster, so it's better for me. What's in there? Don't really care. Okay, I'm gonna reset. Respawn. Just so I can maybe get something else. Let's see. Let's go this way, actually. Actually, no, because I want to see if anything spawned back over here. Whoa, I just jumped super high. Eee! Nothing here? Man. that sucks. I'm so glad I got my own private server, because like, yeah. And by the way, guys, I know Stray Kids, the K-pop band. I've been knowing that. I think it's pretty popular. And I'm in love with their songs. I mean, like, they make good songs. I've seen their concerts before. I've seen their concerts like 5 times. I've watched them, the whole thing. I've memorized like maybe I'd say 3 of their albums. I think 3, at least 3 of their albums. So yeah, I just want to say that if you guys like Stray Kids, comment down below. And if you're watching, I gotta make a video about that. Yeah. Honestly, actually, I like this one. It's not that big. It's just super confusing. Especially like you have to take the time. Like you have to like take the time to actually memorize it, to memorize the spawn points. And like I feel like some people, including me, just rage quit over like falling down in holes, which suck. So yeah, but I don't hate it as much anymore. At first I hated it a lot, but now I've grown to accept it. No. Right when I say that. Say that. Oh my gosh. I fell. That's just... I'm so sad. I wish there was like a ladder where you could climb back up every fall. But now I have to go all the way back again, which sucks. That's why I kind of don't like Blizzard, but I would say that's kind of my fault. And also because I can really see the hole right there, so yeah. Oh yeah, one of my favorite songs of there is God's Menu, Walking on Water, Megaverse. I like, what's the other one called? I don't know all this. No. You? I know a lot of their songs. I kind of speak Korean, but I speak Japanese too. I speak Spanish. I kind of speak Chinese. I'm really bad at it though. So yeah. Spanish. I also speak English, obviously. But yeah, if you can speak any of those languages, we're twins. But don't say anything. Like, if you're gonna write it out, I suck at that. I can barely even write. And okay, so we're gonna switch now, me and Lav. Okay, we're gonna switch. Let's go to boom 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 boom. Let's see. I know all of their songs, but I know 3 albums for sure. Okay. Where is her? Where is she? Where is she? Not me just tracking her down. Oh no, I'm just gonna continue me. Okay, going a bit fast. Anyway, let's get some horses. Okay, I don't see any horses so far. Oh no, can't find any. Maybe it's because she got it. I don't know. Is she a Blizzard? I spelled it wrong. I spelled it wrong, but who cares? I put Blizzard. I don't know. I don't even know. Oh, found one. Okay. Okay, I got the quarter horse here. Okay, let's see what's over here. I know this was where I got one of my first good coats, you know, like yeah, like one of the island unique coats. Is that what it's called now? I don't know. Come on, you got this. There. Let's see. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I can't wait to sell all these horses at the end. Let's see, guys. Ooh. Let's get this one. Oh, well. There. Okay, let's get another horse. I need to get more lassos. Oh, a fjord. Never can go wrong with those. I love fjords. Oh, and this. Never go wrong with that. Mustang. Okay, now we're going to reset. Oh, reset. And now we're going to go around another loop because we didn't really get that many horses. So we're going to go around again. I wish I was on computer, honestly, because I feel like it would just be so much better, you know. Let's see. Okay. Got this one. Oops. Can't get it in one. Okay. We can get it in 2. I mean 3. Sorry. Get it. Come here. And we're gonna go this way, apparently, because I see a horse. Oh, no, not my moonstone. Not my moonstone. Not my moonstone. We're running out. No. 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 It's okay. I think I just saw a horse. No, I didn't. That was just a bush. Cooking like a chef. Insert the music. Insert the music right now. I don't even know where I'm going. Where am I going? There better be a horse somewhere. Please. Well, sometimes is there a horse here that I didn't know about? Oh no, it just leads into the flower field. Yes? Yeah, what you gotta say? Let's see. Where is the horses? Horses, where are you? Oh, let's see. There is no horses here. Are you kidding me? No. Okay, cut the music. I don't know where it is at, but cut it. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go back now. Other way. I'm gonna have to go this way, yeah. Yeah, because we need to do a loop. So, yeah, because there was a horse I didn't get, so we have to do that loop. And we went the wrong way. Okay, wrong loop. So, it should... Then how do I get out of here? That's the question. How do I get out of here? That's the question. And wrong way, bump, 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 and wrong way. How do I get out of here? Please let me out. Let me out. No. Oh no. Guys, you know what she just said? Gotta add it. Add the soda pop song. put it in.
Wait, what is that?
Okay, guys, cut the music out. I'm sorry I didn't get to the part where. Okay, I'm gonna sell everything and that's it. Oh, fine. Okay, guys, let's sell all this. Yes. Okay, let's see how much money we get. Wait, I can't sell that because I just got that. I don't think I didn't get that much. What? Okay, we're not gonna sell that then. We're not gonna sell that. I'm gonna sell this and then. Okay, what's the difference? Yeah, we're gonna sell it. And let's see how much we get. 7,000. Woo! Okay. Wait, let me get. Here. Please like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and if you made it this far in the video, comment a green heart. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!